Have you ever felt confused about waxing terms? You're not alone. In the beauty industry, simple terms can create confusion. When clients request a Brazilian wax, their expectations may not be met. This miscommunication affects comfort and salon trust. Why does this happen so often? Let's decode Brazilian waxing terminology around the world. The term Brazilian wax originated in Brazil, but meanings differ. In the US, it usually means complete hair removal. In Europe, clients may receive a small strip instead. Other regions have their own definitions too. This inconsistency can confuse clients from different backgrounds. A single misunderstanding can lead to dissatisfaction. It may also affect salon ratings and online reviews. As beauty services expand globally, clarity is crucial. Establishing standardized terminology is now part of professional practice. The Brazilian wax is the most requested service, removing nearly all intimate hair. Clients often request variations. A Hollywood wax means full removal, leaving smooth skin. A French wax removes most hair, leaving a small strip. A landing strip keeps a narrow vertical line. Bikini waxes add another layer of complexity. A bikini line removes hair outside underwear lines. Full bikini offers deeper inward removal for a thorough clean. Deep bikini removes more hair but isn't fully Brazilian. Understanding these differences prevents service confusion and ensures clients get exactly what they expect. Waxing terminology also includes techniques. Hard wax is ideal for sensitive areas. It sticks to hair, not skin. Soft wax uses strips, suitable for larger areas but may irritate delicate zones. Aftercare is equally important. Ingrown hair serums prevent trapped hairs post-wax. Soothing balms reduce redness and irritation. Exfoliating scrubs promote healthy regrowth. Consultation terms are essential before service. Patch tests assess skin sensitivity. Pre-wax cleansing removes oils and bacteria. Post-wax calming restores skin balance. Clear communication begins during consultation. Ask client specific questions, full removal or styled shape. Visual aids remove language barriers for international clients. Service menus should clearly define each option. Staff training is vital for consistent communication. Teams must confidently explain preparation and aftercare. This builds trust before the service begins. It ensures client comfort throughout their appointment. Standardized terminology strengthens your brand reputation. Clients feel informed and respected. This increases repeat bookings and generates positive reviews. Clear communication reduces complaints. It positions your salon as a global professional leader. In a trust-based industry, clarity is a competitive advantage. Salons embracing these standards lead the market and set benchmarks for excellence worldwide. If this guide helped you, subscribe to MTH Health. Discover more professional wellness insights. Share this video with salon professionals worldwide. Together, let's elevate beauty care standards globally.